Alright, in this video we're going to be making a baby chick container so we can put a heat lamp on them and just keep them separate from the other chickens. This way we can have them be inside because we don't have a broody hen to take care of them, and they'll stay safe from our puppy as well. So it's pretty simple. I just get a Tupperware and I put a wire cage on top, chicken wire, and then we put a heat lamp on top, and I'll walk you through it.
Alright, so step one was to cut the lid. I basically put 4 holes, actually 6 holes on here. You can see right here. 1, 2, 3, and 3 at the bottom. I originally started with a Sawzall and it started shredding this top because of the vibrations and started cracking it, and that's the biggest thing with making these is you get these cracks and then the whole thing's worthless. So I stopped and used a hand saw. I just used a drywall saw, just a small one. It's about 6-inch blade to do this, and then the lid is off. Alright, so now I'm cutting the wire at the top. You can see it here. I just had leftover chicken wire, and I'm going to cut it, and then I'll show you how I'm going to weave it into the Tupperware itself. Step 2 is put the wire on. So I cut the wire down, as you saw. And in the past, I've weaved metal through here. The problem is, you weave metal wire through this to hold this wire on. This plastic doesn't hold up. So this time I'm going to try using 2x2 and just some leftover wood. Don't want to go out because this video is being filmed during the quarantine. So we're just going to use what we've got. So it might not be the best looking wood, but it's just for baby chicks so we can get them into the farm. You can see it's a pretty nice day today. The ladies are out feasting on bugs. Alright, so we just have a frame. Then I'm going to staple the wire directly to it, and then I'm going to attach it to the thing. I might even just leave it loose, because every time I do attach anything metal or screws through this, it does shatter the plastic, so I'll maybe play it by ear before I make that call. Alright, the finished product is the wire with the wood on top of the Tupperware with a heat lamp just attached to the ceiling so we can raise and lower it as needed. And then we have 3 babies. Let's see if we can get them. 3 babies hanging out, sitting in their food, of course, making a mess. And that's it.
Thank you so much for watching the Bunkies YouTube channel. Again, my name is John, and I appreciate that you watched. Over here on the right and left hand sides, we're going to have a video that's recommended to you, as well as our most recent upload. Lastly, I'd love a thumbs up and any comments below if this was helpful, or if you do anything different for your baby chicks. Thanks again for watching.